Okay, hi, I'm Curtis Ikehara. I'm here to talk about ICS 331 logic design and microprocessors. And just so you know, the prerequisite is ICS 312 machine level and system programming. And this class is the prerequisite for computer architecture and for software design for robotics. You can check out the syllabus at that link below and to see what it's about. But just to give you a brief overview, we talk about computer hardware, digital circuit elements, that's exclusive OR circuit. And then we talk about memory, and that's a 6-transistor CMOS SRAM. And then logic circuit analysis designs, you'll be able to read circuit designs like the picture below. And then look at basic machine architecture. We see the arithmetic logic unit and working register and status registers. And we'll be working with the microcontroller there, but we'll be talking about microprocessors also. Some of the sensors and motors that we have in sensors there we have is the photocell, and we have a Hall effect cell which detects magnetic fields. And you're going to get some practical hardware knowledge, so you'll be able to evaluate specs before you do some purchasing and do some troubleshooting of software and hardware problems. And in the lab, you'll be able to read the spec and build that project. And you'll be writing the code in assembly language. And then finally, this is the last lab you'll be building. And let's see if I can get to the slide. So here's how it works. So basically, the microprocessor reads the switch values, and then the switch values determines which sensor controls the motor. So in this case, the potentiometer moves the motor. So if you turn the potentiometer, it moves. And the next one will be for the Hall effect sensor, which measures magnetic fields. So I'm going to bring in a little magnet there. And then that little magnet will turn the motor. So you can see it turning the motor. And then the next one is for a thermistor, which is a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor isn't very sensitive. Usually if you blow on it, it's better, but if you have your fingers put on it, then it'll move the motor a little. So you just see the motor move just slightly. So you see it moving just a little. Next switch sets up for reading the amplified version of the thermistor using an operational amp, and you can see it moves the other direction really well. And then finally, the next sensor is the photocells, which control the motor. And that's the last project, but you'll be able to do all this in ICS 331. So thanks a lot.